Hey, it's CajunDIYDiva, and today we are doing a room tour. We are in New Orleans at the International House Hotel in room 605. So this is a standard king room. It's quite compact. There, that's the whole room. Here's a little closet. So I'm looking for a safe. It does have a little refrigerator and a drawer, and let's see, I don't see a room safe. Little desk. There is a little clock that does have USB ports on the side. And we have a view of, let's see, old buildings in New Orleans. I believe that is Camp Street. And I'll show you the bathroom. There's a TV, full length mirror, a chair with an ottoman, and the bathroom. So shower tub combination, towels, potty, and that's about it. So let me straighten up this bed a little bit more so I can end on this. So this is room 605 at the International House Hotel in New Orleans.